really important that we start taking it very seriously. In the weekends, just solve some mocks, write down some papers. A lot of students have reached out who are in 10th and 12th that where they should do ACC and their BCom. So guys, I did a poll. So guys, it's already April now and it becomes so really important that we start taking our June attempt very seriously. If the folks who have not started, guys, it's a good time. Please get started. May is gonna just go off so fast. Don't keep much of preparation work for May. Right now you have 10-15 days. Make sure finish everything that there is. Finish all the chapters, watch the videos, get everything done in this month itself. Next month all you have to do is question practice and question practice. And then in the weekends just solve some mocks, write down some papers. That's all has to be your plan. Okay. So it's again April 20th, guys. I know results have come out now and then we are already wanting to take a break. Yeah, it's just been a crazy process. So I would recommend guys who are writing, don't leave too much for May. Get started now itself. Finish everything from a theoretical perspective, chapter finishing perspective. Get everything done right away in the month of April only, so that when May comes, all you have to do is to just solve questions the entire day, revise the concepts, and finally on the weekends just do the mocks and everything. So please make sure, guys. I know that the last attempt was crazy. It was good for some of us, not good for some of us. Any which way, it's a fresh attempt, guys. Let's give it the respect it deserves and let's really do well in this particular attempt. Okay, please get started. A great session now, just leaving, and I really wanted to highlight this canteen here. I mean, it honestly looks like a cafe coffee day, outdoor scenic cafe. Just look at this cafe. I mean, ever since I've come here, I've really liked how this cafe is, and I hope aise aur campuses people are able to have such a good college experience. It's so cool. If you just come here, have a look. How is the cafe like? Okay, currently they've just kind of opened it, but if you just look at this. You have these pillars here, you have this strange looking statue. It's really nice. What a campus here, Don Bosco, I must say. Lovely ground, as you can see in front of the trees. There is a ground here, and what are they making? What did you tell me? Football field they are making. Different field for football and different field for cricket. Wow, yeah, this is really nice. And they already have this. What do they have? Here is for, okay, ride safe here. You also wear helmet, bro. Okay, Ajay, see you. Praveen. Okay, this is the volleyball court. Again, I told you, great campus. This office is for?
This is church.
This is the church, is it? Wow, yeah, it'll be open now? Is it closed? Holiday, that's why. What is it today exactly? Which Jayanti?
Basavanna Jayanti.
Basavanna Jayanti, okay. Only for colleges it'll be off, no? Mainly? Offices and all won't be off, I guess.
Admissions and office are up.
Okay. There's a lovely entrance, guys, to the college, I must say. Just look at this view. Trees on both the sides. A long walk to the gate. Yeah, definitely, I would say one of the best campuses I've seen from a studying perspective. A lot of students have reached out who are in 10th and 12th that where they should do ACC and their BCom. So we asked you a few students from Don Bosco. So two good things there that you can tell me why you would recommend this college. I think one reason I would say is that the ACCA teaching is very good here. That is one thing. Second, I would say is the campus is lovely. In the midst of so much nature to study, it feels like an open class that Rabindranath Tagore ji had in the back of the day. It gives me that feeling. But from a BCom perspective, how do you think this particular college is and how do you like it?
Yes, sir. BCom classes are very good, nice actually. Honestly, if there are multiple courses like BCom regular, BCom F&A, there are specializations like LSM, BCom LSM, logistics and supply chain.
Okay, and some aviation is also started.
Aviation,
That's BBA. That's BBA. Okay.
It's Department of Management. In Department of Commerce, we have this specifically 3 courses.
Okay.
Regular and F&A. Anyone can take as their interest. F&A, if you're interested in accounts, F&A like सकते. If you're interested in supply chain logistics, LSM.
And if you go into the commercials, roughly how much are we paying on yearly basis to the college?
Fees,
yeah.
As per new revised one. For first sem, I think so. It's 45 BCom.
45,000 per sem. So you can pay per year or you can pay per sem. How does it work?
as you.
You can pay per sem also, guys.
Yes,
I think that's
per
such
sem.
a good thing. It's not a financial constraint on your parents as well, that you can pay on a per sem basis. You're paying 50,000 roughly
Yes.
per sem, so 6 sems would come up to 3 lakhs.
3 lakhs.
So within 3 to 3.5 lakhs, guys, this can be done, and I feel it's a great college. I must personally recommend to you. I would definitely say that. And now we've got some students also saying that to you. So if you want to know more about the college, you can comment Don Bosco in the comment section. I'll help you and I'll connect you with some of the students here. But because a lot of people have been reaching out saying that the 12 boards are done, so which college should we go to? And we get 5 exemptions here.
Yes.
Right? So 5 exemptions also there in ACC, a great college in the midst of, I must say, a mini forest only.
Yes.
So great, yeah, totally recommendable. And yeah, see you. Bye. The scorching heat of Bangalore, yeah. I can't even remember when I saw Bangalore being so hot. Yeah, I'm pretty happy about this. Hello, ma'am. So finally it's done here. हाँ बस यही खोलना था भैया. यहाँ से मैं देख लूँगा. Thank you. So sometimes yeah, I just forget the keys. Has been the day today, but glad yeah, finally back to office. Nothing feels better than being in office here, to be honest. Of all the most productive things, playing cricket, being at home, chilling with Daksh, who's my nephew, and being in office. Like I think, three best places to be. Okay, finally here, getting started for the day. Day starts with getting everything organized. Okay, checking if the AC is on, having some water and getting the day started. Starting off my day, guys, pretty happy at around 12 o'clock. Get a lot of understanding from students, right, about what they think about certain point of views. So one of the similar point of views that we looked into was the poll. Now what about the poll? Just a minute. So in the poll we looked into, I asked students that if you're writing an SBL exam, what would you rather do? Would you actually attempt all the questions 80%, or would you attempt only few questions 100%, and the remaining questions you don't even know how long it's going to take? But most of the responses that you can look here, around 33% students were like it's better to write 80% of all the questions, but the majority, and the poll that won was pretty much the students saying that 67% I'd rather have finished 100% of most questions than few of nothing. That would work, but 80% of all doesn't really make sense. So this was the poll, guys. However, my point of view would be that, if in the given time you can finish 100%, nothing like it, go for it. But if in the time you cannot, even if you've done 80%, finish that, move on to the next one. By finishing the entire paper like that, if you're able to finish most of the questions with a 100% perspective, that's great. If not, at least you would have answered 80% of everything. So that will be my point of view. And that was an interesting poll, yeah. Thanks everybody for your responses. Really appreciate it.